that's the start. That's 35. I've already bought 40. And with all my octagonal gardens and all the other gardens I've made, and the one around the flag and the 2 I gave away. Now we're doing it around the front porch and the house. And basically, we're working on drainage and making it pretty with flowers.
I had to bribe him.
Oh, yeah.
To come do this.
Yeah, I don't work for free.
Right, I had to buy him this.
Yep. And what did you buy me yesterday?
A drill.
No, you bought me a 1/2-inch impact wrench, Makita.
A wrench.
Impact wrench, right.
Same thing.
So, yeah, I don't work for free. Okay. We've got a lot done.
The first flower beds you've ever made for me.
Are these are the first flower beds I've ever made you? Is that what you said?
Yeah. 29 years. You finally, after 29 years, have built me flower beds.
And I'm going to go
I
around.
hope I don't have to wait another 29 years for you to finish them.
You keep buying me tools, I'll keep working.
Yeah. That tool money's just about all run out. Okay, do mine. Show mine. I'm making one too.
Oh, show yours? Okay.
And all I need you to do is put some lag bolts in.
Is that it? Is that all you need me to do?
Yeah.
Well, I'll tell you, they make another screw called, something lock. Timber lock.
Okay.
And,
You mean I gotta buy more stuff?
well, not that many. You don't have to buy that many. But, she's using the scrap of my cutoffs to, and what are you cutting them at? 5-degree angles?
5 degrees.
Yeah.
And it's gonna work. And what I'm gonna do is over here, I'm gonna level some dirt out, and then I'm gonna put a brick right here just like I did on the back of the house, and it'll work.
Okay.
It'll stay there.
Okay, enough about you. I want to talk about me.
Okay.
Me now.
Back to
Yeah, well,
And
that's what
stay on
happens
the
when
dog.
you get under my moving feet. God, I'm exhausted. Okay. I'm going to go just around the corner about 4 more foot. Actually, you see that wooden stake right there? That's where I'm going. Because eventually from that stake on is going to be deck. Okay. I am exhausted. And it's not so much the work, it's kneeling. Kneeling wears me out. Okay, that's all for me today. I will finish this tomorrow, and then I'll help my wife start putting dirt in there. I am not a shoveler. I'm good for about 30 minutes of shoveling, and then I'm down for the rest of the day. Maybe the next. That's how bad my back is. If I were to die and go to hell, shoveling would be my hell. Okay, this side is done. Well, my part's done. Now my wife is filling it up with mulch and dirt, and then plants, and when the mood strikes me, I'll start on the other side. Actually,
Did you show my tomatoes?
yeah, I'll show you tomatoes again. Here we go.
Been planted for 10 days.
10 days.
10 days.
These tomatoes have been planted for 10 days, and they are really just growing like crazy. I've already got tomatoes on, little tiny tomatoes. Well, that's the idea. She's worked all day trying to get dirt in there. It's looking better.
All they want in return for giving me free crap is my soul. Who'd say no to that?
Do an update.
Okay, here's a little update. These tomato plants are doing pretty good in these. Is that straw or hay?
Hay.
Hay
Straw.
bales.
It's a
Straw?
Straw?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was hay.
Wheat
And put your finger on that tomato.
Yeah, there's two little
tomatoes.
Well, there's 3 actually.
Aren't they the cutest
Yeah,
little
they've
things?
grown about this much.
Yeah.
So far, I'm actually growing wheat too, but
Yeah.
all I do is
Cool.
just soak it down every day. I put some cow manure. I soaked it, put lots of cow manure on top and watered it in. They are growing, but these are the greenest tomato plants I've ever. They are really, really green.
And what kind of tomatoes are they? Romas?
Roma, yeah.
Okay. We'll see you in a few days. I'll give you another update. For a couple of years, that big mallard duck was by himself out here, all alone. And about a week ago, some friends of ours brought 2 female ducks over here, and that male duck is a happy camper now.
I bet you there's 30 or 40.
We got old skin, baby. All right then.
Not good.
Yeah.
You haven't eaten, huh?
That's good for not eating?
No, it's not good. You haven't had anything. This is like a fast. You haven't had anything since 3 o'clock, yes, since yesterday. And, no, it's not good.
Okay. So I'll try harder.
Yeah, you'll try harder not to really eat less, huh?